खुशबू बोल।
यस सर, स्टार्ट करूं?
बिल्कुल कर दो।
Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from Batch First. And today I want to tell you about a short story. Its title is Secret of Happiness. Once a sant was sitting on a hill watching the sunset in a very happy mood. Just then a wealthy person came to him and said, Babaji, I am a big businessman. I have all the means of comforts. Still I am not happy. How are you so happy despite being so depressed? Please tell me its secret. The sant took a paper and wrote something on it and gave it to the businessman and said, open it by going home. This is the secret of happiness. Businessman reached home and opened the paper with great curiosity. It was written on that where they
कोई बात नहीं, क्यूरियोसिटी होता है, नाम
curiosity.
बोलो। हाँ, क्यूरियोसिटी। हाँ
curiosity.
हाँ
It was written on that where there is peace and contentment, happiness comes on its own. Therefore, instead of running after happiness, being happy in what is there is the secret of happiness. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। आजा।
स्टार्ट करूं?
हाँ
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Do you fear for ghost and believe on him? So today I am telling this story for you. Once there was a three friends. Their names were Ram, Raj and Rakesh. There from them, one friend was very intelligent and believed on superstition, and two friends was very naughty and fool. They both always disturb to others person. One day both friends knew their friend weakness that he believed on superstition and
सुपरस्टिशन एक साथ ही बोलना।
superstition
हाँ
and fear from ghost.
हाँ
So they decided to disturb him and told him fake story to their colony that one lady was suicide in our society before 2 years,
हाँ
and also today her spirit walks in our colony at 12 p.m.
हाँ
That friend said that I don't believe on it. So both friends said that you will come my house fix 8 p.m. on night of Amavasya. Ram does yes to his friends. Some days pass and Ram ready to go this streak. He was very fair. Sometimes he thought that really this lady comes in this streak daily, and he watched the other person. What does she do? Sometimes after Ram started walk, and sometime after he feels that
आफ्टर सम टाइम आफ्टर को बाद में नहीं लगाते।
okay, after some time he feel that his behind is somebody, but he does not turn behind. He goes ahead. This time he watched a shadow, and he is feared. He asked to that shadow of watched, who are you and what are you doing here? That shadow tells that I am your belief, which you have lost in yourself, and you have failed to me from yourself. Ram asked from surprised that I don't means your this sentence. Do you tell me? That shadow tells, do yes, that you have lost your believed to superstition. Do you want to watch? Do you watch branch of tree on sit to word? Yes, but what is take give to my fear? That shadow tells that the word is that character who don't fear of brick branch, because he doesn't believe the branch of tree. Isliye he believe himself. Isliye your friend is naughty and fool. Still they want to kill your weakness to your friendship. Ram tells that somebody do it with their friends. They want make joking to take profit of my weakness. That said, Shadow tells no because your friends won't kill your fear, and they tell that somebody aren't ghost. This told that Shadow is lost there, and Ram is very fat. Ram sometime walks on his way again. Ram feels that his behind is somebody, and he watched a shadow. Ram tells, "Are Vishwas, what did you came back?" That shadow tells to surprised, "Who is Vishwas? I am your fear. Fear is your because you have lost your believed to superstition. Why are you with me? Who is inside you right now? I am that, so I am with you." The fear, angry, hurt of person are not right. Person can do anything by that reason. What it means it's, do you tell me? That shadow does, yes. Slays the person fears to others, so he can't tell your feelings, and angry to fought to do it, which he want never, and he believed in himself. He thanks to his friends, and they always live happy. That's all.
हाँ
सर स्टार्ट करूं?
हाँ बिल्कुल करो.
Hello, good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Payal. Today, talking about the great little queen story. Once upon a time, in a great kingdom called Caspia, darkness fell upon the royal family as the king and the queen passed away, leaving behind their 10-year-old daughter Sophia as the only heir to the throne. Caspia was now in a state of gloom, unsure as to what its fate would be, and the evil Prime Minister Jaran Jafar knew it very well. We will crown the little girl, and when the people of kingdom will see what a pathetic ruler she is, I will convince them that for the greater good of Caspia, I take control, and soon the night of the full moon, Sophia was crowned as the queen of Sophia. Horns were blown and drums were played as the little queen. Sat on the throne, scared and anxious, along with the sadness of the fresh wounds of her parents' death. Jaran saw fear in her eyes and grinned with satisfactions.
सेटिस्फेक्शन होगा.
Satisfaction.
हाँ.
My queen, I bow down to you and pledge my support and loyalty. Sir, loyalty होता है क्या?
लॉयल्टी.
Loyalty to you until my last birth. Can I go to my chamber now, if that is all right? Oh, absolutely. Your Highness. Nurse, please Nurse, please use the queen to her chamber. Sir, एक मिनट. Nurse, the queen to her chamber. Make sure she has everything that she needs. Jaran plan was coming through quite well, and as he had expected, Sophia, uh, being a little child, that she was steered away from the matters of the kingdom. She would, she would, she would, she would spend most of her time with the nurse as she found comfort in her company. Triples the taxes, tells them it's the queen's order, and and failure to obey her command will lead to capital punishment, and that was done if and was that done a fog of delivery upon Caspia. People were punished punished for the smallest of crimes, and freedom of speech was a thing of the past, all in the name of the queen. But the queen um, un, un, but the queen unblackness to all his lived in oblivion as her people suffered outside the walls of her place. But one day something happened. Something happened while after her little kitten she reached the courtroom, where she saw a man in chains.
वेयर नहीं वेयर होता है वेयर ठीक करो इसको
Where she saw a man in chain.
हाँ.
सर जकड़ना को क्या बोलते हैं? मतलब या बंद
Gripping,
चेन में
gripping.
बंधे हुए या
ग्रिपिंग ग्रिप्ड
gripping
ग्रिप्ड
gripped down in front of Jaran. Oh, what is going on, Your Highness? Nothing important to treat your neighbors. This man committed bless me spoken all of you, and we are talking care of it, taking care of it. Yes, my queen, he is to be hanged till death. I see. What is your name, sir? Philip. Philip. What have I done? What have I done to disavour you speaking ill of me? Don't you see we are not happy under your rule. My wife and my daughter are striving become. I cannot bring food to the table, and how could we? Whatever we earn, you take it away as taxes. Enough. I enough. I will have your head sword. You are free to go, Philip Jaran. Please see to free to go to Philip. Please see to it that he has given ample amount to stock of food has his family. But I want it to be done. Yes, yes, my queen. सर मैं ना भूल गई,
कोई बात नहीं,
मैंने स्टोरी लिखी थी वो।
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, बंद कर दो।
It's
Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nalwani. Today I am telling about the story of donkey and a salt cellar. Once there was a donkey and a salt cellar. A salt seller used to carry the salt bags on his donkey to the market every day.
सब सुनो ध्यान से भाई, सब चीजें सुनो, आप कैसे बोल रही है, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, सब सुन लो। हाँ
On the way, they had to cross the stream.
हाँ
One day, the donkey suddenly tumbled down the stream, and the salt bag also fell into the water. Fell into the water.
फील नहीं, फेल फेल
Fell.
हाँ हाँ
The salt dissolved in the water, and hence the bag became very light to carry.
became
The donkey became very light to carry. The donkey was very happy.
हाँ
Then the donkey started to play the same trick every day.
हाँ
And the salt seller came to understand the trick and decided to teach a lesson to it.
हाँ
The next day, he loaded a cotton bag on the donkey.
हाँ
And again it played a same trick, hoping that the cotton bag would be still become lighter.
हाँ
But the cotton bag became very heavy to carry, and the donkey suffered a lot.
हाँ
It learned a lesson. It learnt a lesson to it. It did not play the trick anymore after that day, and the seller was happy.
ओके, इट लर्न की जगह इट टीचेज। बेटा
Yes, sir.
हाँ, लर्न की जगह आप टीचेज यूज करोगे यहाँ पे। उसने हमें पाठ सिखाती है, ये कहानी हमें सिखाती है, सीखते नहीं है। या वी टीच या वी लर्न, फिर वो सब्जेक्ट ऐसे लगा हुआ है ना।
We learnt a lesson.
हाँ।
It did not play the trick anymore after that day, and the seller was happy. And the moral of the story is luck wouldn't favor always. That's all.
ओके,
Hello everyone, my name is Rubina and today I am telling you about two stone.
टू
Once
स्टोन्स।
there two stones.
हाँ
Once there was a performing artist. He live in a
परफॉर्मिंग।
performing artist.
हाँ
Some village peoples came to him and they said to him that we have made a short temple. We want that to set up a statue. So you made the god of statue and
स्टैचू
give
ऑफ
us
गॉड।
statue of God.
हाँ
Statue of God.
हाँ
Please, you make fast. The man went to the forest and searched the stone for making the statue. And then he saw a stone. He was making the statue. The stone said, "Please leave you me. Please leave you me."
लिव नहीं, लीव।
हाँ सर, he
लीव मी, यू मत लगाओ।
Yes, sir.
लीव मी इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस हो गया ना बेटा। प्लीज लीव मी ऐसे बोलो। हाँ
Please leave me. Please leave me.
हाँ
He left that stone and went from there.
हाँ
He saw a second stone and he thought, I will make a statue by this stone.
हाँ
He made a statue and gave them.
हाँ
All the people watched that statue and they happy.
they
And
were happy, they became happy.
अच्छा,
हाँ
they became happy.
हाँ
They said that is very beautiful statue. They set up that statue in that temple, and they worship the statue daily and broken the coconut on that first stone.
हाँ,
Um, One day, the first stone said to statue of God, that you are very lucky, but I am not lucky because the people worship to you daily.
हाँ.
Then the statue of then the statue of God said to first stone, if you had सर दर्द सहने को क्या कहते हैं?
If you had to tolerate
If you had
bear
to,
use कर लो bear. If you have born born
if you have
had born
borne
हाँ.
the pain on that day, you also would have become God.
Very good, बहुत अच्छा बोला, शाबाश. हाँ.
We get the lesson that we should enter pain and we always move on. That's
Very
it.
good, शाबाश. हाँ. बोलो.
Hello, good
हाँ.
evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone, and my respected sir. Today, I am going to tell you a story on God and demons. Uh, Once upon a time, there were gods and demons.
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 हाँ.
There used to be war between the gods and demons. The number
Demons.
of
हाँ.
demons,
हाँ.
the number of gods was decreasing day by day, and the number of demons was same. one day the uh, one day gods went to their guru and said to him that the guru of demons Shukracharya had a charm by which he could revive everyone. That's why the number of gods was decreasing day by day. Then the guru of gods said that we could do one thing. Uh, one person from our
Can
camp.
use करो can direct use कर रहे हो ना आप इसको.
Yes, sir.
तो can use करो. हाँ.
One person from our group can go to the camp of demons and learn that charm.
हाँ.
Then all gods were worried. Then the son of the Brahaspati was selected to go in the camp of demons.
हाँ.
When the Kach was going to the camp of demons, he met his father, and his father said that you could friendship
Can.
you can friendship
Friendship नहीं
with
वर्ब लगाओ इसमें. You can
you
make
can
a
have
friend. हाँ. Friendship. हाँ. ऐसे you can have a friendship. हाँ.
you can have a friendship with the daughter of Shukracharya.
हाँ.
Shukracharya, by which you can get the charm.
हाँ.
The Kach went to the Kach entered in the camp of demons and stand
Stood.
before the
हाँ, कोई बात
and stood
हाँ.
stood before the Shukracharya
हाँ.
and told that I came here to gain education.
हाँ.
Then Shukracharya took a while and said, you can live here and you can gain education. Then then Kach live there, and he told to
Started to live there. हाँ.
he started to live there and told to Shukracharya that please Guruji, give me some work to do. then Shukracharya told him to cut wood from forest, and he did this work. And then Kach again told that please Guruji, give me some work to do. Then Shukracharya told that you can help my daughter and graze the cow in the forest. On next morning, on next morning, Kach
ऑन की जरूरत नहीं है,
took
ऑन की जरूरत नहीं है, द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग. हाँ,
okay, sir. The next morning, Kach took cows and grazed in the forest. The demons knew that the Kach came here to learn the charm.
to give
Then
our first form, come here. हाँ,
come here to learn the charm.
हाँ.
Then demons killed the Kach and and cut the pieces and cut the body pieces of the Kach
Body into pieces.
and cut the body into pieces.
हाँ.
And सर रखने को क्या बोलते हैं, जानवर के सामने रख दिए.
And gave कर दो ना, दे दिए. And gave
sir.
those
And
pieces
gave
to the wild animals. हाँ,
and gave those pieces to the wild animals.
हाँ.
Then evening came, and daughter of Shukracharya told his father that oh father, all cows had come, but
Have come.
Shukracharya
बेटा डायरेक्ट ही तो यूज कर रहे हो ना आप, हैव कम ही तो आएगा. इनडायरेक्ट में थोड़ी बोल रहे हो आप. यू आर यूजिंग डायरेक्ट नरेशन.
all cows have come, but Kach has not come
हाँ,
yet.
हाँ.
Then he told. Then Shukracharya meditated for a while and talk with the Kach that where are you? Kach told that I am in the stomach of wild animals. Then the daughter of Shukracharya told her father to revive him, to revive the Kach. Then Shukracharya revived the Kach. The next day, Kach again grazed the cows in the forest, and the demons killed him and make the paste of his body.
Made.
And
हम्म.
सर भवानी क्या बोलते हैं?
बाना.
हाँ.
Float.
And flowed his body paste in river. Then evening came, and the daughter of Shukracharya said that, oh father, Kach has not come yet. Then his father meditated for a while and tell with
Told.
Kach.
हाँ.
And told with Kach.
Asked बताया थोड़ी, उसको पूछा. Asked.
And asked with Kach
हाँ.
that where are you? Then Kach said that I am in the river. Then the daughter of Shukracharya told her father to revive him. Then Kach was revived again by the Shukracharya. Next morning, Kach grazed the cows. Kach was grazing the cows in the forest, and the demons knew that he was revived by his guru Shukracharya. Then he burnt the Kach and his ashes, and the demons add his ashes into the water of the Shukracharya, and Shukracharya drank it. Then evening came. The daughter of Shukracharya told him that Kach has not come yet. Please do something. Then Shukracharya meditated for a while and asked, "Where are you?" Then he told, and then he said that I am in the stomach of your. Then Shukracharya told to his daughter that forget Kach because he is in the stomach of him. Then he told you have to. Then his daughter told, please revive him. Then his father told her that you have to choose one. Then the daughter of Shukracharya told that I want you both. Then Shukracharya told to Kach that I am telling a charm. You have to learn it. Then Shukracharya revived the Shukracharya revived Kach, and then Kach revived Shukracharya. Then in this way, the Kach got the charm by which by which the force of his can be win by the demons. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड आ जाओ
करो स्टार्ट
हाँ
Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma from B2. Today I am going to tell you about a short story of 12 princesses dancing. Once upon a time there lived a king who had 12 daughters. That is 12 princesses. Each one of them was more beautiful than the others. All of them were young now, and the king had a plan for them to get married. But soon he came to know about the fact that all the 12 princes danced all the night. Nobody in the castle knew where they would go. The king was worried. He used to lock the door of their chamber so as to avoid them from going out. But all his attempts were in vain, as he found the holes in the prince's shoes. He got worried and made an announcement. Any person who would discover the secret about the princess dance shall be given a choice to marry any of princes and will be the king after my death. But if the person fails to do so in 3 nights, his life shall be forfeited. The news spread with the wind, and soon a prince came forward to discover about the princess' secret. He said, I am the princess from your neighborhood kingdom, and I am the heir to discover the secret about the princess. He got a warm welcome and at the king's place. In the evening, after the dinner, he was offered a room to sleep. The room was adjacent to the prince's chamber. His bed was placed in a way that he can easily keep an eyes on the princess to see where do they go to dance. The door of the prince's chamber was left open. The prince was in his room. A couple of princes came to him and offered him a glass of wine. The prince drank some wine and started observing that the princes were up to. He said from some time put grew heavy land, and he fell asleep. He woke up in the morning to find that the princess had already danced. This followed for the next couple of nights too. On the fourth day, When the prince failed to provide any answer, he was killed by the king without any mercy.
हम्म,
Later on, many people came forward for the same case, but all of them failed to discover the secret.
failed उच्चारण
Failed.
हाँ
Uh, all of them were killed by the king. The king was not happy to kill them, and he was sad, for he couldn't get the answer for the princess secret
secret of dancing
of dancing.
हम्म,
There was a soldier in the kingdom who had to leave the army because of injury. Now, as he had nothing to do in life,
हम्म,
he decided to go to the king's city. On his way to the capital, he helped an old lady. She thanked him and asked, "Where are you going?" Where are you going? He said, "I don't know. I was thinking to go to the king's city." She said, "Oh, for the princess?" He said, "No. What is the it related to the princess?"
दामत
She
लगाया करो
said,
ऐसे बीच बीच में हाँ दामत लगाया
uh,
करो बेटा हाँ
"Okay, sir. Don't you know about the king's announcement?" Oh, I have
announcement
announcement.
हाँ
Oh, I have heard about it. But I think if I go after that case, I will lose my life.
lose
Just lose my life,
हाँ
just like many others who made an attempt.
हाँ
You must not drink the wine offered to you uh, before going to bed and printed to be asleep.
हाँ
Saying this, the old lady offered him a cloak. Uh, cloak. You will be invisible when you put this on.
हाँ
It will help you to follow those 12 princes. The soldier thanked the old lady and left for the king's castle. The king welcomed him too. The soldier was treated just the other candidates. Later in the evening, he was allowed to the room adjacent to the prince's chamber. After some time, the eldest princess entered the soldier's room. She said, "Hello, princess. Hello. I have brought some wine for you. Please accept this as a welcome drink for all of us."
हम्म,
The soldier was aware about it. He drank all the wine, but didn't gulp it, as he
gulp
had. क्या sir?
gulp
Gulp it, gulp it, as he had kept a sponge under his tongue.
हम्म,
As the princess left his room, he took out the sponge and pretended to be falling asleep. All the princes were happy to see him sleeping. They all got dressed up to go out. As all of them were ready, the eldest princess topped her bed, which immediately sank into the earth. The 12 princes, one after the other, went down through the opening. The soldier was watching it. He wore the cloak and followed them. He was going down with the youngest princess. Halfway down the steps, the youngest princess felt scared. "I think someone is walking with me." Sometimes it feels like when you are walking through the dark,
throttle through
through the dark. Come among come along. The soldier pulled her dress a bit. She got more scared. Someone is pulling my dress. I am so scared. You have catch it on a nail. Take it out and come along. The soldier smiled and walked with the princess. The princess went to a beautiful garden where all the petals on the trees were silver. The soldier plucked one of them as a proof. As he did so, there was a cracking sound. The youngest princess got scared again. Did you hear that sound? Yes, it was the gunfire of joy because we have got rid of one more man. They went ahead to enter a garden with golden leaves on every tree. The soldier plucked a leaf. Again there was a cracking sound. The elder princess asked the youngest one of ignore. Moving on, the princess entered an avenue full of diamonds. The soldier picked up a diamond. This time too, the youngest princess heard a cracking noise and got scared. Where 12 princes were waiting for them with their 12 boats. Each princess sat along with each one of prince. The soldier opted to accompany the youngest princess. Oh, princess, I can
वो है
feel
नहीं
the
ओ
oh, princess, I can feel the boat is very heavy today. I have to put all my efforts to row.
efforts हाँ
Efforts to row. She said, I don't know, but I feel warm here. The 12 boats reached the other side of the lake where there was a beautiful, splendid castle. The 12 pairs entered the castle and so did the invisible soldier. As they entered the hall, the music began. The 12 princes danced with those princes with prince with vigor. They danced till 3 o'clock till their shoes bore holes. They decide to return. The 12 prince rowed them back to the other side of the lake. This time the soldiers said with the eldest princess. As they were about to return to their chamber, the soldier ran ahead and lay down on his bed. By the time the princess came to their chamber, slowly, we are safe. Let's change our clothes and go to the bed. This happened every night. The soldier followed them, collected the evidence with him, and returned to his bed before them. On the concluding day, when the king called the soldier, my lord, all the 12 princes go beneath their chamber. There is a castle under your kingdom. And he explained the complete story. The king looked at the princes, who were listening to this from behind a big curtain. Is this true? Here are the proofs, my lord. And he presented the silver and golden leaves and the diamonds he had picked. The princes how admit the fact. They convinced about what they were up to. The king was happy to know the fact. He felicited the soldier. With which of my daughter would you like to marry? He said, I am no more a young guy, so I would marry your elder daughter. The king ordered his men to arrange the necessary thing for the wedding. and the ceremony took place on the someday. Someday, my son-in-law shall be crowned after my death. They all lived happily ever after. That's it, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Good evening, everyone.
क्या हुआ, आवाज ही नहीं गई, आवाज गई तुम्हारी तो, आवाज ठीक करो आप अपनी, बोलो।
Good evening, everyone. I am Anjali Meena.
हाँ
Today, my topic Unity the Strength.
हाँ
But once there was a farmer in a village. He had several sons.
several
Several sons.
हाँ
They always quarreled among themselves.
देख के नहीं बोलना बेटा बिल्कुल भी।
Yes, sir.
हाँ इससे अच्छा ना बोलना।
Yes, sir.
हाँ
The farmer become very sad. He was worried about their future.
Worried नहीं worried।
Worried about future.
हाँ बिल्कुल अपना बना बना के बोलना बस। हाँ
Yes, sir. One day he ill.
he fell ill।
He fell ill.
हाँ
He was so serious that he was immediately taken to hospital.
हाँ
He was about to die. At the last stage, he wanted to teach his sons a good lesson.
हाँ
Then he called all his sons and give them a bundle of sticks.
हाँ
He told them to break the bundle. Each of them tried to break it turn by turn, but could not.
but they
could not.
बोलो बोलो, सोचो ना आगे क्या होगा, सोचने का ही तो काम है यहाँ पे, और क्या है। क्या हुआ बेटा?
Yes, sir. He gave each son's separate stick.
सेपरेट?
Sorry, separate stick.
तो आप कहाँ देख के बोल रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो आप?
नहीं सर।
तो ये वर्ड का फिर क्या है, ये ऐसे इस तरीके से कैसे आ रहा है ये? ओके
सर
बोलो आगे,
मुझसे
बोलो आगे बोलो।
they break each separate stick easily.
हाँ सेपरेट।
separate
हाँ,
easily.
और ब्रेक नहीं ब्रोक आएगा वहां पे.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
That's it, sir.
ओके, आ जाओ.
So start करो.
यस करो.
Hello friends, myself Ruchika and today I'm telling about a short story and its title is that we must have willpower
आप अबाउट
to
क्यों
get
लगाया आपने? स्टोरी के बारे में बता रहे हो या स्टोरी बता रहे हो?
a story.
तो अबाउट क्यों लगाया फिर आपने? आई वांट टू टेल यू ए स्टोरी.
I want to tell you a story and its title is that we should have willpower to get success.
हाँ.
Many years ago, one day a jobless man applied for a job in a big hotel, and the HR the manager interviewed him and said to take a test to him.
हाँ.
Then he said to clean the floor. Then the
हाँ, बना लो.
man said okay. After seeing the test of man, the manager said the manager said application will be given to you and you will have to fill it. Then you can do work here. Then the man said that I have neither. Then the man said that I have neither a computer and nor a. Then the manager asked for an email. Then the manager said, sorry. Then the man said that I have neither a computer and nor an email. After thinking some time, the manager said that if you don't have the both, then you are exist from here. Then the man came out from the hotel with no hope, and he thought for some time what should we do, and he had
What should be done?
only what should be done, and he had only 100 rupees in his pocket.
100 rupees.
100 rupees in his pocket.
हाँ.
After thinking, he went to the supermarket and buy a
भाई नहीं bought.
and bought a carrot of 10 kilo tomatoes
हाँ.
and sold them door to door, and he applied this method he applied this method 3 times, and now his capital was double and triple. This type
This way.
This way, when he came back to his home, he has earned 600 rupees, and he thought that if he will do like this, then he can earn his living. And he after some years, he was the biggest food retailer retailer of the area of his. Now he has a cart, a truck, and everything that should have. Then he thought about his family's future, and thought that a life insurance should have. Then he called a insurance broker, and then the insurance broker came and said the man chose about chose about the okay,
हाँ.
sir. And chose about the protection of a plan. When they were talking, the broker asked for his email. Then the man said that I do not have any email, and I do not have any email. The broker was shocked that if you have not email, yet you have succeeded to build an empire. Then the broker said if what you did if you had an email. Then the man asked them. The man thought for some time and said an office boy. That's all, sir.
Okay.
Hello friends, myself Neha Sharma.
हाँ.
I want to tell a story, Twin Girls of Farmer.
हम्म.
There was a very beautiful village named Ramgarh. There was a river. In this river there were two boats which transferred people from here to there. In this beautiful village lived a farmer named Hariya.
हम्म.
Hariya's wife was pregnant, but still she carried food till the farms for Hariya.
हाँ, food नहीं, food.
Food.
हाँ, उच्चारण ठीक करो. हाँ.
Hariya said her, how many times I have told you not to walk so much, but you don't even listen to me.
हाँ.
She said, I know, but if I walk a bit, if I walk a little, won't harm me.
हाँ, little it, तो little और it को एक साथ नहीं बोलना है. Little, थोड़ा सा
Little
pause दो.
it,
हाँ.
little.
को बात थोड़ा सा अगला वो वहां पर क्लॉज शुरू हो रहा है,
हाँ सर,
तो वो लिटिल के बाद थोड़ा सा गैप देना चाहिए अपने को.
ठीक है सर.
हाँ.
Little
हाँ.
it won't harm me,
हाँ.
and I would be able to feed you as well.
हाँ.
Both of them had food together only. As soon as Hariya's wife Meena gave birth to twin daughters, she passed away.
Okay.
On Meera funeral. On Meera, सर 13वीं को फ्यूनरल ही तो बोलते हैं.
नहीं.
तो सर
13वीं को.
हाँ सर.
नहीं, तो हाँ बोलो.
On the 13th day, the villagers came to Hariya's house. They said, it is too bad that your wife passed at such a young age. Even you are young, and for your twin daughters, you must get married. Then Hariya said, no sir, my daughters are everything for me. I will live my life with their support. With their support. Hariya's daughter. Time passed in a jiffy, and Hariya's daughters grew up. Now Naina and Sunaina were 10 years old. They said, Papa, you told us that you will teach us swimming. Hariya said, yes, I do remember. They said, but when will you teach us swimming? Then Hariya said, my dears, I have a lot of work in farms. On this Sunday, I shall surely teach you swimming. Naina said, Sunday, sure, right? He said, yes, certainly. On Sunday, Hariya took Naina and Sunaina on the river. There he first entered the water and said, now look at me carefully.
You have to move your hands and legs in harmony like this. Look carefully. Naina and Sunaina observed Hariya carefully. Hariya said, "Now, Naina, give it a try. Give it try." Naina was frightened, but she tried. Initially, she was not able to swim. But after a while, she could balance herself in water. And then even Sunaina tried. And soon they both were swimming. Thereafter, they practiced swimming daily. After some days, Hariya went to the Sarpanch and said, Sir, I need birth certificate of Naina and Sunaina. Village head Sarpanch said, "Okay, I shall give you. But what would you do with it?" Hariya said, I want to get them admitted in the school.
ये गेट them का क्या मतलब आ जाएगा?
them यानी सर उनको,
तो उनको नहीं आएगा ना यहाँ पे, उनको किसको? उससे पहले वाले सेंटेंस में अब लिंक टूट गया ना यहाँ पे. I want to get my daughters.
हाँ सर, ओके सर. I want to get my daughters admitted in the school in the neighboring village. Neighboring village. हाँ. Hariya said. Then Sarpanch said, do you want to educate your girls? None of the girls in our village are educated. You are spoiling the village culture. From now on, all girls will want to study in the school. Then who would work in houses and farms? Hariya said, whatever you think doesn't affect me. I will get my daughters educated. You just give me their certificates. The Sarpanch searched some books and then he handed over Naina and Sunaina's birth certificate to Hariya. Now Naina and Sunaina traveled daily across the river to go to their school. Hariya was very happy. One day Naina and Sunaina were crossing the river when they saw Sarpanch alone in the other boat.
The Sarpanch, हाँ.
The Sarpanch तो होगा सर.
दा लगाओ ना, दा नहीं लगाया ना आपने.
हाँ, when they saw the Sarpanch alone in the other boat. Suddenly, the balance of his boat tripped and he fell into the river. The Sarpanch cried for help. Save me, someone, please save me. Naina and Sunaina didn't think anything else. Naina and Sunaina didn't think anything else, and they jumped into the river. They swam
to the village. They swam to the sarpanch.
Hmm.
They gave support to him
Hmm.
and sir bachana को rescue
And rescued him.
and rescued him to the bank of the river.
Hmm.
On the river bank, some man pushed his chest the water out of the serpent's body,
Hmm.
and so the village head was saved.
Hmm.
He called Nana and Sunana towards him and said, "How you saved my life? You are very brave." Haria was right that he would not need any person. So when you are these for him. So when you are these for him, this story teaches us that daughters are now ever less than sons, and they can do all the work that a son can do. That's it, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
चालू कर.
Hello friends, my name is Dilkush Mina. Today I am telling about a story. Always knowledge is spare. Once there was a debate between Ma Saraswati and Ma Lakshmi about one thing, that who is great among us. Ma Lakshmi said, I am
Said नहीं,
great,
sad.
and Ma said,
हाँ.
and Ma Saraswati said, I am great, but they couldn't its decision. So at last they went to Brahmaji for its decision. They told the whole thing to Brahmaji, but Brahmaji also couldn't its decision.
Couldn't take.
So
वर्ब
he
तो लगाओ.
couldn't take
हाँ.
its decision.
हाँ.
So he said to them that you both go to the earth and you both see who is great. Who is great. After it, they went to the earth. They saw that there is a necklace in front of a man, but he is not taking it. After it, Ma Saraswati gave knowledge to his.
Him.
After to him. After it, he took the necklace. They both surprised to see this. They went to Brahmaji and told whole thing to Brahmaji. Brahmaji told that Ma Saraswati is big because she give knowledge to people. The man didn't take to necklace until he had not knowledge, and as soon as he received the knowledge he took the necklace. So Ma Saraswati is great, that's knowledge is big. That's all.
Okay. हाँ.
Hello friends, my name is Salman Khan. I am the student of online interactive classes. Today I am telling about importance of a best friend. Best friend is a part of our life. We all need to make a best friend because he helps us in our every condition. He tells us about our right and wrong, and he also suggest us that what should we do and what not. I have also a best friend. He also help me in my every condition. He tells me about me that what is right for me and what is
वट
wrong
नहीं
for
होता है,
me.
वॉट होता है, वॉट वट नहीं
No,
होता है,
what,
वॉट।
sir?
हाँ
What,
हाँ
what is wrong for me?
हाँ
He, he also, he always suggest me to do, everything, everything, everything,
थिंक नहीं, थिंग,
thing, sir.
ध्यान से थोड़ा। हाँ
And he also, uh, I love him. I love him, and he also love me. He is not only my best friend. He is like my brother. That's it, sir.
ओके, आ जाओ। हाँ
So start.
यस।
Hello friends, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling a short story on bravery. Uh, once there were two friends. They lived in a small village. The village was in a forest. Uh, one uh, one was one was 10 years old and second was 6 years old.
द अदर वाज सेकंड की जगह, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आप। हाँ
They always play, eat, and visit together. One day, they were flying kite in the forest. The big boy, the big boy, suddenly the big boy fall down in a big well
हाँ,
in
फेल
the
डाउन,
forest.
फॉल डाउन नहीं, फेल डाउन।
For, fell down.
हाँ
He did not fall down. Uh, he did not know that how to swim. He shouted, "Help me!" Uh, he shouted, "Help me!" The small boy came near to the well and and took a small rope. He took a small rope. And
कोमल रुक जा बेटा, रुक जा बेटा, कोमल अभी रुक जा बेटा, तेरा अभी कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है। हाँ प्रिया आओ।
and that uh, and that he started to pulling. He throw the rope in the well
हाँ थ्रू,
and
थ्रू सेकंड फॉर्म आएगी ना बेटा। हाँ
sir,
हाँ
he put his all strength to pulling his friend.
हाँ
In the last, he he took out his friend.
हम्म,
They both were very. They both hugged to each other and uh, crying. They were crying
हम्म,
because they were fearing that they were fearing that they were that our parents will strike
देयर
down to
पेरेंट्स,
us.
दे आर इनडायरेक्ट में तो बोल रहे हो आप, देयर पेरेंट्स।
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Their parents strike down to us.
हम्म,
Uh, they they went to the village and told their accident to all, but their parents and villagers will no were not believing on their talks,
हम्म,
on their things. Sir, things भी use कर सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल।
Because the small boy was not able to save his big friend. The villagers were the villagers were thinking that they both were telling lie to us. In that village, uh, an old man also lived.
हम्म,
He was very intelligent
हम्म,
and he was very intelligent man of that village. He called he called to those boy and said that I know that you are speaking true. I have very I am very proud of you.
Have नहीं am.
He
I
said,
am very much proud of you.
I am very much proud of you.
हाँ.
He said to the small boy. The villagers were very shocked, and then they asked to the old man that how do you know that they both are telling true. The old man said that when that big boy fall down in
Fell
the
down.
well
Fell down.
fell down
थोड़ा
in
सा
the
ध्यान
well,
रखो बस वर्ब फॉर्म को. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो. हाँ.
there was no anyone without the small boy to telling him that you can't do this. You are very weak and small. There was no one there to spoke
Speak.
all of this.
टू के बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है. हाँ.
To speak of all of this.
हाँ.
So small boy saved his friend. Now the all villagers had understood that it is right. That's it.
Very good. हाँ बोल.
Good evening, everyone. Today my topic a story, a merchant and rain.
A story of. ऐसे बना के बोलो.
Story of
हाँ. A
a
merchant.
story
हाँ.
of a merchant and rain.
हाँ.
So let's start.
हाँ.
Once there was a rich merchant in a town that lives in Dhanusha. One day he was reading home from a fair.
Returning. हाँ.
He was carrying a large sum of money after selling his goods in the fair. The way to his house from the fair was very long. While he was on his way, it started raining heavily. He got wet completely. He could not keep anything in good condition. Everything got wet. The money which he was carrying got wet. Got wet badly. He was very sad. He got angry with the rain. He started grumbling. He crushed the rain. As he grumbled, praising the rain, he overheard it.
ग्रम्बल क्या होता है बेटा? ग्रम्बल क्या है?
क्या सर?
ग्रम्बल बोला ना आपने अभी. ये ग्रम्बल. ओके चलो आगे बोलो. आप बाद में पूछूंगा. आगे बोलो. बोलो आगे बोलो.
He knew that the merchant had a large sum of money. He wanted to shoot the merchant and attacked immediately with his gun. But fortunately, the power in the gun did not work because it got dumped. The robber failed to kill him and loot his money. Then the merchant escaped from the robber easily. He realized that the rain which he caused saved him at last. Then he went home being safe. That's
बेटा
it, sir.
ओके बेटा ये आप आना जरा लाइट